How to hide your followers and followings list on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your followers and following list on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. So go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. And as you can see here on my profile, I have a professional account turned on. So if you have a professional account, everyone on Instagram will be able to see your followers or following list. So what you want to do is first turn it off. To do that, tap on your professional dashboard and head over to settings. Now tap on creator tools and controls and switch account type. Switch to personal account. And once you have switched your account to personal, just go back and then refresh your page. So now what you want to do is tap on it, the settings menu, and head over to account privacy. So only way to hide your followers is by turning on your private account, but your followers will still be able to see all of your followers and following list. Only the general public won't be able to see it. So when your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. So go ahead and switch to private. And when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos and videos on hashtags and location page, and your followers and following list. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.